You ever get stuck trying to create your own original character? Just gets frustrating! Extremely frustrating! Your brain just goes and you start drawing and then you just can't figure out what the heck to draw. Well, listen here. Hero Forge is amazing. Let's check it out. Let's go!
Let's roll!
Before I start the video, I just want to let everybody know that this video is not sponsored.
First things first, go to heroforge.com. Type it into Google, get it on your phone, whatever you gotta do, do it. Then, what you're gonna wanna do is you can create an account or just create your own version without an account. And right now, I'm just playing around in this 3D modeler. Basically, you're making your own Dungeons and Dragons mini. You could purchase it with an account, but you also don't have to. That's amazing! So right now, I'm just playing around with the character creator. I wonder if there's a random generator. You can make a human, an elf. You can make a half-elf, a dwarf. That's cool. An elemental. Ooh, we have bugbear. I don't know what a bugbear is, but you know, it's a mutant of some kind. A gnome, a troll, demon, an anthro canine. Everybody knows that I'm probably gonna stay on that one the most, but I'm not gonna make one today, haha. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna make a gnome character. I want to make a wrestling gnome. So join me. Let me not a gnome. What is it? A dwarf. Yeah, I'm gonna make a wrestler dwarf. So join me as I create one, shall we? All right, let's do it. So first off, keep her a lady. Oh my god! Oh, you make the face, and I can zoom in with my mouse. Yo, this is crazy! You know I had to do it. You know I had to do it. Okay, I'm not doing it, I promise. I'm gonna make a human this time. I'm gonna make a human. I'm gonna make a lady. Okay, I wanna make her ears regular size. Yeah. What kind of hair do we have? Ooh, we have a lot of hair options. Hey girl, look at your braids. Oh my gosh. Okay, no. I wanna make her like this wrestler, like bushy haired. Yeah, or I want a combo of this and that, but we'll see if we can adjust it in a minute. But let's let her have a lot of hair. I'll stick with this one. Like, yeah, let's go with this. Let's go with the murder. Is there an option to adjust the hair? Dude, I don't even know. Okay, eyebrows. Yes. Wait, a unibrow, dude. What? A unibrow? Okay, that's a mess. Let's just go with this one. This is okay, you know. Her eyes. Let's see. Oh! Charlton Chuck E. Cheese. No. Ow! No, that's scary. Okay, let's just go with regular eyes, okay? Teeth. Let me look at the teeth options. You got the buck teeth. Okay, I love that. Okay, no vampire. We're just gonna regular teeth. Horns. She does not have horns. She's just a regular person. Yo, I can have mermaid feet? No. I want regular feet, please. No! I broke it. How do I edit undo? Oh, is there a control Z? Oh god, there's a control Z. You can control Z it. This is amazing! Oh, dude! All right, posture. Have her stand up. Bro, this is wild. Left, B, C, I don't know what that is. Musculature, yeah, why not? Curves, booty. That is not a booty. Okay, whatever. She's a dwarf. Left arm, right arm, musculature. All right, cool. Extras. What is that? A turtle shell. Okay, that's craziness. Okay. The clothing options. Oh, let me move myself out of the way here. This is amazing. Bro, is there a wrestler's outfit? We have a jester. What's close to wrestling? We got a samurai. We got fairy armor. What if she was a fairy wrestler? That would be amazing. Bro, I love this already! Okay, let me keep going down. Oh no, I'm gonna be out here for hours. Oh no. Okay, we could go with that one. No, I like this fairy outfit. We're just trying to make this quickly. All right, gloves. Ooh, we could change the gloves though. But I kind of like how it is right now. Look at these options, bro. Poses. Is there like a wrestling pose? What is this? Oh, yo, this is amazing. Yeah, this is total wrestling material. Stage. Okay, so she's a wrestler. She got a dumbbell. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. What would be your theme? I want her to be like a book person. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. I said book person, and there's books in here. I can't tell you how amazing this is. All right, legs, torso. We got a good torso. We got the measurements we want. Bro, I just created a character in less than 7 minutes. Like a human wrestler. Her theme's gonna be woodsy. Oh, now I'm gonna give her, do I give her wings? Butterfly wings? Are there butterfly wings? Okay, I see the butterfly, but, oh, classic butterfly wings. I love it. Stop. Okay. Yo, I made a character in 8 minutes. So, bro, take it all in. Go to heroforge.com, make a character. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I'm gonna redraw her in another video and see how it goes. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day. And I hope you join Hero Forge and make something. Check out the info. Check in the description below. Oh, you can save it. Make an account. I'm gonna save it in a minute. Oh god, I hope I didn't lose her. Yeah, check in the description below. Enjoy yourselves, guys. Have a great day.